Hi, my name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome to Tablescape Tuesdays. Welcome back and welcome if you are new. Tablescape Tuesdays is an open invite collaboration that is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. I am going to post their links to their channels in the description box down below. And I would encourage you all to stop by their channels and check out what they're up to. They always have something new, exciting, and refreshing in home decor. So let's get on with Tablescape Tuesdays. I just want to mention one other thing. Like I said, it's an open invite collaboration. So if you would like to participate along with me and the other co-content creators, please feel free to do so. So today's Tablescape Tuesday is going to be a little different this time. I'm doing it on my breakfast bar, and I'm incorporating some colors for fall, for the upcoming fall season. And this time we're going to have a little, I guess you could say a little light fare for today. This is something that you might want to have as just some, like little snacks prior to dinner. This could be in a late afternoon. And so what I have going on here is I have some smoked Gouda cheese, some Laughing Cow cheese, grapes, and some, entertaining crackers. I have orange marmalade for people like me that like to put marmalade on their crackers. And I have my fall paper napkins and a glass of wine. And look, doesn't this all just say stress relief? This all says, let's just relax this afternoon, have some snacks and have some nice ambiance. That's what this Tablescape Tuesday is all about. Warm, vibrant fall colors, relaxing, and just chilling out after a day's work and just relaxing. I have my little sign in the back that says Autumn Harvest Blessings. And I wanted to talk about my vase. I had this last year. I used this in some fall tablescapes. And these items here that I have in my vase, my florals, these are, dried, but these all came from either the Dollar Tree or Joann's. Joann's had a big sale. I think they were 60% off. So I was able to snag some nice autumn decor from Joann's and the Dollar Tree. So as you can see, it doesn't take much to decorate on a budget. Isn't this gorgeous? This is really, really nice. This is a, just like a little swag. And I kind of made this into a wreath. I put some pumpkins around. I put some little picks in there. And here's one here, just as little fillers. But I thought this is a nice, warm, inviting fall breakfast bar tablescape. This is all being displayed out on my breakfast bar. And this is typically what we do at holidays, Thanksgiving or Christmas or the 4th of July. I usually have my breakfast bar, set up in a buffet style. So if you like these types of videos, please consider to like, comment, and subscribe. I certainly would love for you to join my channel. And just, because I like to bring you different ideas of things that you can do to kind of switch things up a bit. So I thought, instead of doing a table, a formal tablescape, I guess you would say, I thought I'd try something a little different today on my breakfast bar. So yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe. I would love to have you join my channel. I really would. And again, don't forget to go to the Grace Life DIY and Amethyst Adventures. Go to the link below, click on their links for their channels. Let them know that I sent you. Give them a shout out. Check them out. You will not be disappointed. And until the next time,